I'm Boudra Mersu. I'm in charge of the communication of IKM development. Today I'm going to talk about Mangrove of Madagascar, which is a guarantee for sustainable development and fight against poverty. The continuing degradation of mangroves negatively affects the well-being of communities in the northwest coast of Madagascar and the country's resilience to climate change. Their culture is closely linked with mangroves, which participate in traditional pharmacopoeia, provide forest products, and meet food and nutritional needs, while remaining sources of economic activities for the generally vulnerable local populations. Excessive cuts and conversion of mangrove areas to other uses as rice growing, salt works, housing are the recurring problems. Mangrove restoration to rehabilitate its ecological, economic and cultural functions could be the right solution. Reforestation of multipurpose gasoline will be carried out. Income-generating activities will be developed to improve the living conditions of communities. The project seeks to strike the right balance between conservation and economic development of targeted people. Thank you for listening. Bye! Eluma!